Best electronics. In this video, I have listed top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner in 2023. Please note that the price can be changed at any time. Number 5. Robot vacuum cleaner ABIR X8, laser LiDAR, 6500 PA suction, multi-flow map, UV lamp, TOF wisdom, app restricted area, smart wet mopping. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Available in stock. Specifications. Number 4. NEATSVOR X600 Pro 600 PA LDS Navigation Robot Vacuum Cleaner App Virtual Wall, Breakpoint Cleaning, Draw Cleaning Area, Mopping Wash. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Available in stock. Specifications. Number 3. XIAOMI MIJIA 3C Robot Vacuum Cleaner Mop for Home Sweeping Dust LDS Scan 4000 PA Cyclone Suction Washing Mop App Smart Planned. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Available in stock. Specifications. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Laser System, Multiple Floors Maps, Zone Cleaning, Restricted Area Setting for Home Carpet Washing. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Available in stock. Specifications. Number 1. NEATSVOR X520 Robot Vacuum Cleaner 600 PA 5200 mAh Regular Automatic Charging for Sweeping and Mopping Smart Home. Orders. Review. Rating. % off. Available in stock. Specifications. Thanks for watching.